AI is not coming to take your job, especially when no one else knows how to do your job. So before you get all crazy about the AI hype, just realize it can't replace you if it doesn't even know what you do. Remember, most LLMs have read 90% of the internet, the entire Library of Congress, and almost every major publication. It knows more than any one person in the world. What it doesn't know is how to do your job. So just like you would tell it, hey, ChatGPT, you're a marketing director at a B2B SaaS company working on a Q4 campaign to do these goals, you have to give it context. And all that context starts with documenting your process. You can't automate what is not documented. The first step in any company's AI journey is documenting your process. When it comes to documenting your process, there is no simpler or easier tool to use than Tango. Simply launch the Tango Chrome extension, click capture, and then just click through your process like you would any other day. Tango automatically captures all your steps in the right-hand sidebar, and when you're done, it will create a step-by-step guide that you can share by adding team members, sharing a link, downloading it as a PDF or a Markdown, or even embedding it in your knowledge base or wiki. Now here's where things get interesting. You can take that PDF and feed it into an LLM and ask it for feedback on your process, or even look for opportunities to automate it in the future. So before you get all crazy thinking AI is coming to take your job, just remember, AI can't do what it doesn't know. You have to tell it what to do by documenting your process. I'm Mark, let's Tango.